everybody, welcome back to So Aldo. On today's video, I am going to share with you how I professionally whiten my teeth at home. If you are a coffee and tea lover, you would want to watch this video. And yes, there will be a giveaway at the end of this video. I'm going to talk to you about that later on, so stay tuned. Before we get started, if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I upload new video every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. Also, don't forget to hit notifications so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So a few weeks ago, I was contacted by SmileBrilliant to do a review and a giveaway for you guys. So yeah, I was super excited just because I've heard a lot of good things about this company before. This is like a professional teeth whitening treatment that you can do in the comfort of your home. I'll send you the box and the kit to make the impressions. So the box looks like this. Before I started this treatment, I actually just finished a whitening treatment as well. I use white strips. And I thought what my smile was nice and bright. The picture before I did the treatment using SmileBrilliant, and this is the after. As you can see, there is like a huge difference. I mean, I love to drink coffee in the morning and then tea at night, so those are going to stain your teeth, especially if you drink it like every day like I do. That's why teeth whitening is very important to me, because I just love those drinks and I just cannot give them up, to be honest. If you decided to take this route, they are going to send you a box. By the way, this kit right here is gonna cost $149. I believe it's including the shipping. For domestic or USA only. International, you are going to pay for the shipping. They do ship international, by the way. So I'm just going to read it right here just because I don't want to miss out any information that I need to tell you. I tend to forget a lot of important details when I'm filming, actually. So I wrote it down. So the impression making kit looks like this. It includes all the stuff that you will need for your treatment, including step-by-step instruction on how to make a perfect impressions. So making the impressions is actually really important, because if you make it, if you don't do it right, of course it's not going to fit right. That's why it's important to make sure you follow the instructions step by step. Actually, the first time I did it, I kind of messed it up, but the second time it was perfect. After you make your impression, you are going to send it back to them, and the envelope is already pre-posted. It has a stamp. You just put it in your mailbox and it's ready to go, so you don't have to pay for that. After a week or so, you will receive your customized tray, and it will look like this. As you can see, it is very soft and comfortable. I believe this is silicone. There is also an instruction on how to whiten your teeth. Yeah, I just followed the instruction like step by step. It's basically detailed. You just read the instruction and it's super easy to figure it out. So anyway, I did this treatment every night just because you are not allowed, or you are not supposed to eat or drink right after you did the treatment. So I did it like every night before I go to bed. I usually leave it for an hour. You can leave it 45 minutes to 3 hours. It totally depends on you. If you have time, go ahead, you can do 3 hours. That's what you prefer, or you have time for 3 hours. But I just can't. It's just impossible for me to do 3 hours. And luckily, I did not experience any sensitivity or shooting pain. In my opinion, you will get those sensitivity and shooting pain in your mouth if you have like existing problem in your teeth, like what is that, cavities and stuff. So before you do this treatment, make sure you fix those first, so your treatment is going to be as comfortable as possible. I did the treatment for 8 days and I still have some leftovers. So the leftovers, you can put it in the fridge and it will last you for 2 years. If you just leave it on room temperature, it will last you for 6 months. All in all, I'm really pleased with this treatment. I feel like I am much more confident when I smile. As you can see, I'm just like so happy and I'm just like smiling fearlessly. Let's talk about the giveaway. SmileBrilliant is going to give one whitening kit to one of my lucky subscribers. Yes, of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel and click the link down below to enter the giveaway. I won't be able to pick out the winner, they will. So be sure to follow the instruction on how this giveaway works. If you live outside United States, you are going to pay for the shipping. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are going to join the giveaway. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new video every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. Also, don't forget to hit the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. If you haven't seen my previous tutorial, I'm going to have the link right here so you can go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!